Dear mother of mine, I hope you know that without your love I couldn't have grown. I know that as the years go on, it gets harder and harder to sing a song. So hush, dear mama, and don't you cry. Your big little boy's gonna sing a lullaby. When the little bird spreads its wings, it's only looking for brand new things. And when the little bird comes home for a while, you spread your wings and greet him with a smile. So hush now, mama, don't you cry. Your little boy sings a lullaby. When the little bird spreads his wings, all he's doing is looking for new things. And as the times go along the way, they get tougher day by day. But when the little bird comes home for a while, you spread your wings and welcome with a smile. So, mama dear, I hope you know that without your love I could never have grown. So please don't cry that I'm far away. You're in my prayer from day to day. Mama dear, please don't cry. Your baby bird is learning how to fly. Yeah, mama dear, please don't cry. Your baby bird is just learning how to fly. And when he comes home to stay for a while, you open your wings and greet him with a smile. So mama dear, I love you so. Don't be afraid to let the little bird grow. sings a lullaby. When the little bird comes home for a while, you spread your wings and welcome with a smile. Yes, Mama Bird, please don't cry. Your baby boy is just learning how to fly. Yes, Mama Bird, please don't cry. Your baby boy is just learning how to fly.